student, now I will do the exercise. Yeah, you will do the exercise for presentation today. Look at this question, is a little bit a lot. Now, first of all, look at this one. Create a presentation of 6 slides using N219 press.rtf. We will open that file. We will open PowerPoint first. So like this, and then this is the file, yeah, N200 press. You can open by this one. You drag like this one, yeah, and then when you open already, next question is format slide 1 so that a title slide layout is applied. A title and subtitle are centered in the middle of the slide. Your name appears after the text produced by. So in here we will change the layout, title slide, and then your name in there. Your full name appear right already. Now we go to number 36. Use a master slide to display the following features on all slides: your name, center number, candidate number, and then automatic slide number. Okay, we go to view slide number. Okay, don't forget to scroll up in here. This one, your name, center number, Mr. G8, and then center number is 058, and then your candidate number is 3 digit, yeah, 1003 001. Okay, already I will make it appear by click insert and then slide number. Oh sorry, wrong. Do not click everything in here, just click in outside, yeah, in this part. Click slide number, this one you click like this, apply to all. Already we go to slide master and close master view. This one already appeared. Now we go to number 36 already. Now 37. Use the data in the file N219 sales.csv to create the vertical bar chart. Compare only the physical and digital book sales for all years. Okay, we will open this one, sales. Look at the sales is like this, like usual. If the appearance like this, you need to block it, and then we will click data, text to column, delimited, next, and then comma, yeah, and then finish. Become like that, yeah. I will repeat the question is vertical bar chart to compare only physical and digital book sales for all years. This one for all years, but only physical and digital book sales. Physicals and digital book sales. This one. So we will create like this, yeah. We block it like this, and then vertical bar chart. Okay, bar chart is in insert. Look at in here. This is bar chart, yeah. We will create. Wait. This one vertical bar chart. Okay. Already. This is physical, digital, and then this is the years already, yeah. And then after that, label the chart with the followings: title, UK book sales. Okay, this is the title. We keep the title in the bar chart. Okay, UK book sales. Now value axis title is in this unit, yeah, axis. Okay, this one we will give the value axis. Okay, we'll make it bigger. Axis title, more option. Okay, wait a minute. This one already give axis title, yeah. We will give this axis title this, yeah. So we copy, we will put this one like that one. Okay, I repeat, yeah. You just click in here, click the bar chart, and then click axis title. Just click, but in here is in vertical only, yeah. Horizontal no need. Yeah, wait, like this. Horizontal no need. Okay, we go to the question. Display the value as data labels on each bar. Okay, data labels, display legend. data labels, we click this one plus data labels, don't forget to click. Yeah, let me check. Okay, data label, like this, data labels, and then display legend already display in here. Okay, next question, format the value axis scale to display. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 300, 3600, and then the increments is 600. Okay, now we go to this one. Okay, like this. Yeah, we click. After that we click this. Okay, wait. Axis option. Now this one, there is an axis option. Minimum is 0 already, and then maximum is, we will change into 3600, and then the increments is 600. Yeah. The increments is 600, and here is 600. Like that. So the chart will be start from 0, 600, 1200, and so on. Yeah, multiply by 600. Every 600 the chart. Already. Now after that, place the chart to the left of the palette on the slide with comparison physicals and digital sales. So we will copy the chart. This one we will copy the chart. Ctrl C, and then we will put in this comparison physicals. Yeah, comparison physicals. Find it. Comparison physicals. Comparison. This one in here. So we will make in the left. Yeah, look at in here, left. Okay, the left. So we will move a little bit like this because the chart will appear in this side. Okay, Ctrl V. This. If you want to make it bold, the text, just click bold. Yeah, like that. And then save the presentation. Print the presentation as handout 6 slide to the page. Print the presentation as handout with 6 slide to the page. Now we will save, and then we put in our folder. Okay, I will make it an answer. Okay, save with the name of book. Yeah, and then your name. Okay, save, and then we will print. Yeah, this one as handout. So we will print, and this one print all slide, but this one is as handout 6 slide, like this. Okay, this one is print all slide. This is 6 slide, and then we print screen. We will put in evidence 1. Okay, I haven't created evidence in here. I will copy from the previous task. Evidence your name. This one. Okay, Ctrl V. Yeah, evidence. After that, already print only the slide with the title comparison physical digital sales as full page in landscape orientation. Okay, we will print only, so we will change this one full page, this one only. Okay, so we will change this one slide 4 only. Yeah, 4 only. Yeah, slide 4 only. Remember, you need to change this one slide 4, and then this one becomes slide 4 only, and then we will screenshot and then put in evidence 2. Like that. Okay, and then save this one with evidence your name file, save as. Okay, I will post presentation 5 November, answer, evidence your name. Yeah. Okay, so you will submit to file. The first is evidence, the second is this one. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. Hope